Trilogy Machinery, when it was founded in 2009, began with a core principle of providing solutions for the metal fabricating industry to our customers. And a core philosophy and principle with that was finding an ironworker manufacturer that we had and believed that had the same values as Trilogy. We wanted a family-run business. We wanted a business that had longevity in the metal fabricating industry. And we wanted to find a business that could support us hand in hand through the good years, through the bad years, through as many machines as we could possibly sell. We knew we had their support. And we found that with Sunrise. Sunrise is a 65-year-old company. They're based in Taiwan. They're a family-run company, and we have a very strong and close relationship with them. We attend factory demonstrations, factory runoffs, and we have a great personal relationship with the owners, as well as really the entire team at Sunrise. Sunrise is able to provide a wide variety of machines for a wide variety of end users. Trilogy has the machines, the expertise, the parts in stock, and are readily available to support our customers around the country.